Hello friends, I am Aditya and you are watching Germanclass. In today's video, I am going to tell you about formal and informal conversation. This is day 4 for the beginners level. If you have just started German language, this is going to be very important and useful video for you. All the previous video you can find in the A1 level playlist. So this is day 4 and we are going to learn formal and informal conversation, just how to greet with a formal manner and an informal manner. So just let's see the video till the end and you will learn a lot of important things. So you know that we have two words, do and z. Do means informal. We have two types of words, okay? Do and z. All right? These are the two different words. So do we use in the informal conversation. Suppose if I ask your name, we heis do. It is we heis do. Means how are you called? I said earlier, we don't say what is your name, we say how are you called? And in formal, we say we heisen sie. We heisen sie. This is the formal conversation. So, do form, z form. We heis do, we heisen sie. This is the formal and informal conversation. Very important to know for a beginner that it makes sense. It makes a big difference. Second question, if I ask you like, who wants to? Where do you live? Who wants to? Where do you live? And in the formal, you will say, wo wohnen Sie? So this is the difference between formal and informal conversation. Again, Z form, wo wohnen Sie? And do form, wo wants to? In English, we don't have such kind of structure. We just simply say, how are you? Where do you live? And that you is not means confirm that you are asking formally or informally. You use for both the person, formal and informal. But in Hindi, we have aap kahan rehte ho or tum kahan rehte ho. If you are an Indian, you know Hindi, you understand what I mean to say. So in German, it is very much clear. Wo wohnen Sie and wo wohnst du? Similarly, woher kommst du? Woher kommst du? Means where do you come from? Okay, and here, woher kommen Sie? Meaning is same, but the difference is formal and informal conversation. This is very important. If you are learning German, you should know how to talk formal and informal conversation. Now I will tell you how to greet. When we learn German, we should know how to greet. There are two different ways again how to greet in German. We'll see these two things also here. How can we greet a person? So if it's a formal conversation, first of all, how do we say Guten Tag? These are the words that you should know, basic words like Guten Tag means good day. If it's morning, you will say Guten Morgen. Guten Morgen. Okay, first you will greet like this. Guten Morgen, good morning. Hi, good morning. Guten Tag. And then you will ask, wie heißt du? How are you called? Or you can say Entschuldigung, wie heißen Sie? Entschuldigung means excuse me. Entschuldigung. Or you can say Entschuldigen Sie. Excuse me, and then you can start conversation. Wie geht's? How are you? Again, it's for informal. Wie geht's? Wie geht's? Or wie geht es dir? How are you? Informal, how are you? And informal, wie geht es Ihnen? Wie geht es Ihnen? Again, meaning is same. Wie geht es Ihnen? How are you? Wie geht es dir? How are you? This is informal, this is formal. And the answer is gut, danke. Good, fine, thank you. It is same for both. Fine, thank you. The reply will remain same. Fine, thank you. So this is the basic difference between formal and informal conversation. I hope you like it. Now I would like to tell you about the personal pronoun. Further, before that, I have to erase it and make it clear. So I hope you like it. You understand what I mean to say. Formal and informal conversation. Now we'll see personal pronoun in German. Personal pronoun. We say personal pronoun in German. Okay, like first person, second person, third person. It is again very important. It plays an important role in German language. So if you are a beginner, as I said, you can watch our previous video. There are over 1,000 videos available on the channel. And if I talk about the table level, there are over 40 videos. So now we'll see personal pronoun, like person, first person, second person. You should know this is also very, very important for a beginner. Day 4, we are learning German. Like ich, this is first person. Du, this is second person. And he and she, this is third person. We learn only these 3 persons today. I, you, and he and she. The 3 persons. It means I, it means you, and it means he and she. This you is informal. We are learning informal you. So I write a text, small sentence so that you understand. Like I write, das ist Tina. Das ist Tina. She comes from India. She comes from India. Das ist Tina. She comes from India. Das ist Tina. She comes from India. And here we want Pune. It's a small sentence, and I hope you understand this. What I mean. So you see, das ist Tina. This is Tina. She comes from India. She lives in Pune. So how do we fill up the blanks? Das ist Tina. So Tina is a girl. She comes from India. And then she lives. Third person, if you remember the conjugation, T ending, she lives. Sie wohnt in Pune. So this is called personal pronoun. Instead of proper noun, we have used sie. And here also sie. This is called personal pronoun. This is called personal pronoun. Like we don't use proper noun, we use pronoun. We don't say Tina, we say she. Suppose if it's a male, Jacob or Michael, we say he, er. It is called er. This is sie. Buzzing sound, sie. So das ist Tina. Sie kommt aus Indien. Sie wohnt in Pune. This is called personal pronoun. Now, whatever information we write further about Tina, we use the personal pronoun she. Since it's first word in the sentence, so it is capital, or after full stop we write capital. Otherwise, it is small z. It makes a difference, small and capital letter. So you have to be careful. She is written with small alphabet. If it's full stop or a new sentence, then it's definitely capital. So that's all in this small video. I hope you like it. If you find it interesting, keep watching Germanclass, like the streaming, and share it as much as possible. And tomorrow, watch our next day 5. Bye bye. Take care.